Adúdídé o, ẹ wá bá wa kópa nú ẹ̀. In Yoruba land, we consider one or three of these factors when naming a child. That's why Yoruba say, Ilé làwù kí a tó sọmọ lórúkọ. Either the child is a special birth, or we name it after the deity they worship in their house, or the kind of job they do in their home. For example, when a child is born in a sack, we call such a child Oke. When a child is born into a family of drummers, you will find Anyo playing in that name. Now, here is the game. Here's the game. If a child comes out with the leg or hand, what do we call such children in Yoruba? And what do we call a child born into a family of hunters? Give me these answers and you can be sure you'll have time to have lunch with me at Ile Iyan by 8. I'll pick a total of 5 people from across our social media platforms, at random of course, to have lunch with me at Ile Iyan by 4. Just get the answer right and you'll have lunch. Looking forward to seeing you.